while my husband is doing all the manual labor for my market this evening, I wanted to quickly update you on my last market that I forgot to update you on because I'm going to need it for the video. So what I'm wearing now will be the intro of one of my next vlogs. It's fine. Honestly, I could have worn this last market and not even known it. No, I had a red dress on that time. Okay, so anyways, that market, this market that you're watching right now, is Not Your Mother's Craft Show. It's a Columbus show. I've tried to get into many moons, and that was the first time I got into one. It's very vibey. It's very like really cool small businesses. Not that other ones aren't, but like a lot of people apply and a lot of people don't get in. So like they're really picking, like trying to make, and you know, notice that like as you walk around, you're not getting a lot of the same vendors. Actually, everyone was very different from one another. So it's cool. You're not really competing against other vendors doing the same stuff. Maybe one or two max, you know? So the market itself, I'm still a little unsure how much it costs because when we got there, they did a team meeting with everyone and said they accidentally overcharged and people were going to be getting refunds. I still have no idea, so I'm not sure. We're going to just say, I don't know, I think I paid $195 and I don't know how much it was supposed to be. So we're just going to go with the high number right there and just pretend with that one. Again, I'm not really sure how much it was because of the, like, I don't even know why they were honest about that. I mean, I do. I love that they were, but they easily could have just went by and just had the market been a higher price because, like, who's to say it should have been lower, you know? If that's what you want to charge, that's what you're going to charge. But they said they didn't mean to. So good for them. Love that because I think a lot of people would not have done that. It was a one-day market. Also, we love one-day markets. Love them. What time was it from? I think 11 to 4, which is also a great time. Columbus is kind of far away from me. It's like that was only an hour and a half drive, further than I want to go normally, but like I really want to do that one and test it out. So let's just get into the numbers. That's the only reason we're here right now. I'm sure, still watching this. I wrote down every single sale. Not always a good thing if I have that much time on my hands. But it's okay. So I did a total of $521. Yeah, so I paid a $195. I don't have any emails saying that I was refunded anything, so we're just gonna stick with that, okay? For $195, I wanted to make around $600 to make it be worth it. I made $521. We almost made it there. I do think that I'm glad I win. I think that I will keep building upon it. I really loved my spot. Like my spot was in the main room where like most of the vendors were, and it was like kind of right at the entrance. So you had to go past me when you came in, and then you had to go past me again when you left. So I thought it was the best spot, truly. A lot of people still don't know what I sell. No matter how many displays I have saying books, how many books I have on display, on the bookmark display, people still don't know what I sell. So I truly don't know what to do about that. But I did sell a lot of bookmarks once people realized it. Let me just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 24, 25, 26. 26 bookmarks. Pretty good. Pretty good. One person bought a sweatshirt. Love that. Now I'm doing a sale where if you get a Book Boyfriend sweatshirt, I'm going to give you a bookmark for free. I think that's an amazing deal. It is an amazing deal. So I'm hoping that can kind of get, because I'm just trying to dwindle down my stock. You know, I need to have less clothing items and more bookmarks. And today's, well, no, just kidding. This is a different market vlog. So yeah, I had fun. I thought it was fun. It was a beautiful venue. If you ever need to get married, that venue is amazing. It's called The Key, the K-E-E in Columbus, downtown. Gorgeous. The bathrooms, I did not get any footage for you. I really did. But I was like, this is kind of weird if anyone's in here. And they're like, why are you filming? So I didn't because privacy. So pretty. It's so pretty. I don't, like, you just have to trust me. If I'm raving about a bathroom, you just have to trust me. Okay. Anywho, so that was Not Your Mama's. I do think I'm gonna apply for the fall market and the winter market, like the big ones. I'm not gonna do any of the mini ones because it's just so far away, but like a one-day big market like that, I definitely am gonna try to get into again. So fingers crossed I will, but yep, I had fun, and thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you know of any like really vibey markets that you think I would enjoy if you're from around this area. And I will see you in the next vlog wearing the same outfit, maybe. Goodbye.